At the Joseph Freeman School, we like exploring together, looking at things, and doing experiments like rockets. We go inside, we use scientific equipment. Kids like doing experiments. It engages their curiosity and gives them a chance to explore. We use some of the best science kits that you can get. These windmills are from Ward Science in America. The kids had a lot of fun making them, exploring, running around outside and just playing. We believe that play is the way to engage students, to really help them discover the joy of learning. The Joseph Freeman School at the Kids Club does lots of things, making tie-dye t-shirts, art projects, science projects, cooking. We use English for most of our courses. We also supplement with Bahasa Indonesia. And as I hope you can see from these videos, our students really tend to enjoy our classes. We're a group of talented teachers that really like and are passionate about getting young people interested about this world, how to understand it, how to communicate about it, think about it. The experience students have at the JFS Kids Club truly helps them discover the joy of learning. We have lots of activities, courses, and classes for kids of all ages at the Kids Club and online. We are located in Cibubur, Depok, at the Raffles Hills Housing Estate inside the Stanford Activity Club. Please visit our website for more information, freemanschool.org. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.